Hi everyone, Von Marie here for Paper Sweeties. So I have an easy background to go with my cute little girl gnome. As you've seen the card that I made for it, I'm just using simple Distress Oxide ink for the sky here, Broken China, and then I'm going to use Mowed Lawn for the grass. I'm just going to Copic color using some just simple green, yellow, or I think it's just green Copic. And then this cute gnome, like I said, you can make a girl gnome or a boy gnome. And this card, I used the girl gnome, and I just used the circle image to make some polka dots for her gnome. For her gnome, for her gnome hat. And then I just used a craft knife to put her ears through. I cut it out. And then I'm just using foam for the back. So I went with orange because I'm going to be embossing the sentiment on orange cardstock as well. I thought it would be cute. It matches her carrot. So I hope you are enjoying the release, the new April release. You can also get this stamp and sweet cuts in the quarterly kits, or you can buy them, by themselves. I will have everything listed, and also visit the blogs. There's always more information there as well. So I am just going to use Hoppy Hugs and Kisses, which is so cute. And I will go ahead and heat emboss that with white embossing powder using my powder tool and my heat gun. And really simple. I love how simple this card is, but cute. I love this girl gnome. She was fun. She's holding a carrot, and then I will have her Easter basket there in the grass. Really simple to do. I will have another project for tomorrow as well. So I'm really enjoying these spring projects here. I think I was going to use the sweet cuts. I don't think I did though, but I will have everything listed. The borders, I mean. So I just added it with foam strips there, and then I'm going to add her with liquid glue. To decorate this panel, I use some white liquid drops, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed my card, my quick and easy background. I will be back tomorrow. Have a great day.